How to change Facebook cover photo without posting. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you change Facebook cover photo without posting. So in order to do it, what you want to do is first of all, open up your Facebook application and log in. Next, you want to click on the menu bar from a top right corner and go to your profile initials or the profile picture. So as you can see at the top, I have these profile picture, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click that out. So as you can see, this is at the top, there is the cover photo. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this out, and there you could see different option. You could either choose an existing photo or maybe upload a fresh one. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and upload a fresh one. So let's say I'll go with this. So once you do it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure to change it. So maybe this could be the one. So after which you want to click on the save button at the top. So when you click on the save button, it's going to be uploaded to your timeline. So quickly what you need to do is scroll down and come to this three dot icon right over here and make sure to click on hide from profile. So click on confirm, and this is basically how you have changed your cover Facebook cover photo without posting. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.